Do you want to sell the right products to the right people at the best price through best channels? Then you need to develop strong marketing skills and have a solid marketing strategy. Hi, I'm Mustafa Karataş. I'm an assistant professor of marketing at Nazarbayev University Graduate School of Business. Although some people might think that marketing is intuitive and is limited only to selling products to customers, marketing indeed involves a strategic and structured approach for understanding what benefits customers seek, grouping customers based on these benefits, and targeting a group of customers that best fits the strategic goals of the company. In this workshop, we will discuss how to best design a marketing program to serve our targeted customers better than our competitors. We will be covering current issues that shape the marketplace and practical real-life cases that show how marketing could be a strategic asset that provides companies with sustainable competitive advantage over their competitors. I look forward to meeting marketing specialists, entrepreneurs, company executives, and other interested specialists in this workshop.